Common Gamer here. We're doing an unboxing video of this wind-up boat. I'll do a jump cut and show it in my pool after I unbox this. It's only $1.25 at the dollar store. It's a Speedboat, great for the tub and pool wind-up boater. I'll call the company 0835-305-2826. Funny, they just have a number on here. Maybe they only use binary. It's funny. Oh, look. You see these two kids? They're not allowed to play with it. So it's up to three. And this guy and this girl, these two people are not allowed to play with that toy. That's funny. All right, this is 3+ on that side. All right, let's open this up. Looks like a Zodiac race boat kind of thing. I'm trying to get this out. I'll put it in my pool and see if it's float. Hopefully it will float. If it doesn't, I have to use duct tape. I'm trying to get this out. Alright, here's the boat. And on the bottom it says the same number. It says a number, and it says Moment Brands. Made in Singtu, China. They're so proud about this, they say where it was made. And there's a sticker right here, kind of falling off a bit. 2 signal lights? Why would you need a single light for a boat? They won't see it. And that's strange. There's the fuel gauge. Engine temperature. Oil is in the green, which is good. And it says 1:50 p.m. That's funny. Well, alright, gonna do a jump cut with this, and you'll see it in the pool. Alright, I'm a gamer here. I'm gonna launch this boat, see if how far it goes and how fast it is. It's not even working. Look at this. What a piece of junk. Doesn't even work in the water. Wow. Epic fail. The wind is blowing it now. Just leave it in the pool. A piece of junk, as you can see. Yeah. Well, hope you enjoyed this. That's all for me for right now. It's Common Gamer something. Please comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video, and you can use the wind to blow it around. No.